And then, sorry, long story. We got through the interview process, got through all 6 of them. And then they let me know that they'd be in contact and they reached out to me and I had my negotiations call and I've signed my offer letter since then.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah. I'm pretty excited. I'll be starting in July. And I'm even more excited because this means I'm allowed to go and have fun. So right, I fully believe that you are the reason that I got this job.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
Like I don't, yeah. And that 30 hours, like I don't think they realized was that accelerated by having someone else help me. And I can't express to them, right, like how lucky I was to have resources on both sides. Like, you know, them being very open to being like, oh, like you treated this like a school project, and me being like, yes, also I had to do this on top of my regular work. Like they understood that. But also, like, I was so lucky to have resources and a professor that cared. You can't always expect those common niceties, especially in industry. So, yeah, no, if you want to ask me how valuable I thought all of that was, like, I can't describe. Like, I don't think I could. I have a lot of words in me, and I don't think I could describe it. So,